If you think of the family system like a spider's web, when one of the threads is broken, it weakens the structure. Nobody knew who my great-grandfather was, except my great-grandmother, and I wanted to meet him. I know you. I'm your great-granddaughter. I placed my mother behind me, my grandfather, and my great-grandfather and grandmother. I feel what it's like with them behind me. It feels good. It feels warm. And I feel strong. I invite in my great-great-grandfather and great-great-grandmother to complete this line, to reinforce the placement of my great-grandfather. It feels good. I feel strong. I want to face them. I face them and I say, thank you. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for my life.